YouTube? What it do, man? You already know who it is, man. Your boy Rique, LifeOfRique. Checking back in. Another video, new to the channel. Make sure you subscribe, turn on post notification bell, because y'all already know we going up on 2025. But y'all should know where I'm at when it comes to this ceiling, man. I'm with a Chevy. You know what I'm saying? But I know I've been working on this car for a long time, man. But y'all got to understand, bro. I be busy. You know what I'm saying? But I had bought some new stuff for my car or whatever. Cause I'm deleting my knock sensors. Cause there ain't no need to run them shit or whatever. So I brought this plate for it. Not only that, I brought a new transmission cross member too. I tried to, let me see if I can find that shit. I don't even know where it's at. I got so much stuff right here. But I tried to repair my old one and try to put that on, but it ain't work. I mean, it would have worked if I had a 4L60, but being that I got the 4L80, that wasn't gonna work. I would have, that 4L80 sit back a little too far. So let me get on the ground, show y'all what I'm talking. See, you got the motor and everything in. I got it sitting on the jack right now, or whatever. So, got a 480 sit a little far back, and y'all know how these shit is right here. This the thing for the old cross member bolt up right here. It bolt up on the other side or whatever. But like I said, I got it sitting up on the jack right now. But this the old cross member, man. Let me show y'all what I did. Had it paint up and looking nice, but fuck it. When I seen it wasn't gonna work, I said fuck it. But basically, and I believe I ain't did this piece right here right, bro. Because I cut the piece off from back here and I welded it to the back. Y'all know I do a little welding, but I welded it to the back. But what I think I fucked up at, I should have kept this piece in here, but grind it. Like cut it all the way out, cut this out, cut that out, and have it like lower. And just have like one long flush piece going or whatever. Cause I seen somebody did it like that on YouTube. And y'all know I'm always trying to try some stuff. So I knew if it wasn't gonna work, all I was gonna do was just buy another one anyway. It's all good. Some of the stuff that I got, oh shit. Damn. But this some of the stuff that I got, man. Like I said, I'm deleting them knock sensors. So it wasn't no need to keep that old valley cover plate. Show y'all what I'm talking about. There wasn't no need. Cause they got them holes in there. We don't need that, cuz. So went on to take that out. Went on to order this. Come with a new gasket and everything. And then we going. Sit that to the side. All right, this is the new cross member right here. But I wish I had a camera person, bro. But it's all good. 1D. Man, you got the old, and then you got the new. So out with the old, in with the new. This will look way better, bro. Like, it's gonna look way better, way clean up under there. And what they do, y'all know you got one side that's long, on the other side, that's why I got that curve like that right there. But you get two plates with it. One for the long side, one for the short side. Everything bolt right up. Know what I'm saying? Get a new mount right here. Little bushing. Put that on. Come with some plates and all that. And it come with new motor mounts too. It came with new motor mount. Take these out, get out. But I will say this, bro. Being that it came with new motor mounts, and y'all know I don't need these. Y'all know I don't need these. This what I'm gonna do. If you building a car right now, bro, and you need some new motor mounts, make sure you leave a comment in the comment section, man. And I'm gonna pick somebody, man, and I'm gonna ship these out to you at your expense, of course. But yeah, do that for me. If you need some motor mounts, pop down in the comment section and let me know, and I'll ship this out to y'all at your expense. So don't be trying to say, hey, Rique, when you at your expense. But yeah, man, let me know what y'all think about that, man. Let me know what y'all think about that. They're gonna look real clean up under that bought Chevy, man. Real clean up under that bought Chevy. These are wires from the headlights and all that stuff too, y'all. In case y'all be wondering in the comment section what I got going on right there. That's my wiper motor, which I'm gonna get a brand new one anyway, so don't really stress about that. Don't worry about that. You know what I'm saying? But I wanted my scheme up under my hood to really be like black dot, everything black dot, you know what I'm saying? Stuff like that. And then it's so crazy. Nobody helped me put my motor in, bro. Nobody. Like, I did that shit myself. Nobody helped me put my motor in. Ain't nobody tried to offer to come help me put my motor in. You know what I'm saying? But that shit ain't stopped me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't had the right engine hoist, so I had to take my front clip off because it wouldn't sit the motor back far enough without me bumping the front. So I took, you know what I'm saying, I took the header panel, the radiator support, I took all that shit off, but it ain't gonna be nothing to put that shit back in. But I'm about to take this old valley cover off, put the new one on, and let y'all see it from there, man. From this, you know, with the knock sensors and all that, to that. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section, man. I feel like it look way better like that, man. I'm gonna get me a black intake too. And I still gotta order my compressor and all that, so, for the AC. I know somebody in the comments said, man, you gotta put AC on the car. I'm gonna put AC on the car, I just ain't bought the compressor yet. Oh, well, but when I buy that, I'm gonna go ahead and slap that on too. I got some of the wires and all that cleaned up. All this gonna get wrapped back too. I just ain't had the time to do it yet. Plus I got some of the wires over there. Some of that gotta get taken out too. I'm gonna let somebody go through that. I paid somebody to put the wire harness, to pull the old wire harness and all that out of the car, but shit, but he ain't did it the way I wanted him to do it. I wanted all that stuff cut out, but he ain't did all that. But it's all good. I'll get it done. But let me know what y'all think in the comment section about, you know what I'm saying, everything. Oh, shit. But I'm gonna get new upper and lower control arms. I'm gonna get new all that stuff, bro. Like I said, just take time just doing it piece by piece. But I don't know how long y'all was following my channel, but I'm gonna get my car running first. Before I deal with, you know, my suspension. I'm gonna do motor, transmission, rear end, get the car running, and then I'm gonna deal with the suspension. So that's how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna get new all that, man, sway bar, all that. Upper lower control arms. Y'all see the motor mounts I got down there. I gotta tighten them back down because I was having the issue with how my transmission and all that was lining up. So I had loose them, but I'm gonna tighten all that back down. Don't even trip on that. But yeah, man, let me know what y'all think in the comment section, man. How that look, man. Yeah. But that's why I was telling you I got the front clip off. I took the whole front clip off. Well, not the fenders are not like that. I just had the fenders loose and all that, but I took all this off. I done all this over, man. I sanded it down, painted it over. Y'all see the bumpers, but, well, the bumpers, the cover on the back side over there, but let me know what y'all think, bro. It was a lot of people hitting me up, man, on social media saying, man, let me paint your car, man, let me paint your car. And I appreciate that from all y'all, bro. Like, I know I wasn't consistent like that. I wasn't, like, out and about like that, but I'm trying to really build, you know what I'm saying, bonds and stuff for people who I can continuously do business with. I don't got time for people to be coming in and out, just wanting some recognition and all that. We ain't doing that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to do some work to the box, whether it's suspension or anything, man. Hit me up because I need it. I need somebody who wanna see me outside, who wanna help me out, man. You know what I'm saying? Not nobody who gonna hold it nuts on me, man. So make sure y'all hit me up on all my social media platforms. Hood too. I just took my hood off. I bought these seats from somebody because something going on with the seats that I had in my car or whatever. I got the bucket seats in my car, but these like the bench seat for the front seat or whatever. But I have ended up buying a new motor for my seats that's in my car, so I ain't using these no more. So if you're looking for some box Chevy seats, bench seats, hit me up, man. Good condition. You won't have to clean them. I did have them cover up or whatnot, so you would have to clean them or whatever. But this the shell. This my bumper shell right here, which I was thinking about buying a new bumper, man. I'll get it this one re-chrome back over. I don't know yet. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section, man. Got it done. Got the transmission in. Got the motor in. Pulley system and all that. And I know a lot of people be saying, oh, go this, go that. Man, if you ain't spending your money, stop telling me what to go. Like, don't tell me, hey, bruh, you should get this, you should get that. If you ain't spending your money helping me don't even try to say what I should go. I ain't trying to hear none of that. And I'm trying to be respectful as possible. So don't even be in my DM talking about, oh, go this, go that, or whatever, man. But y'all can see this for my wiper motor or whatever. I am going to put a new wiper motor right there. I just took this one off because I don't like how that shit look. That shit dirty, and we ain't doing that. You know what I'm saying? But radiator support, did all that over, sand all that over, painted it back black, well as the bumper. We did all that, man. But I'm going to get up under the car and I'm going to show y'all what I was talking about as far as the cross member for my transmission. As y'all can see, got the transmission in. That bracket right there, that it bolt up to the transmission, it wasn't centered. So I wasn't able to bolt my transmission up to it. So I had to cut it off and, hold on, right there. I had to cut it off and weld it back over. So I did that, cut it off, weld it back over, paint it back black, and then we put it on there. Y'all can see. Bruh, and a lot of people, man, I know it's the hype of frame offs and all that, bro. If your car clean, you ain't got to do all that, bro. Like, this car was clean when I bought it. I don't know if y'all can go back on my YouTube channel and watch previous videos. This car was clean when I bought it, bro. So I ain't had to do all that. I wasn't about to waste no money doing shit that I don't need to be doing. And once we get oil pressure, the next thing we doing, we're going to do suspension. We're going to do, no, when we get oil pressure, the next thing we doing, I'm going to do that rear end. I got to get my rear end right, man. I got to get my rear end right. I need a positive traction. I need all that, man. So give your boy some pointers. You feel what I'm saying? Or what y'all think I should do. But don't be in his comments saying, hey, you should have. I ain't trying to hear all that shit. But after I get oil pressure, I'm going to do my suspension. I'm going to do my brakes. I'm going to do all that. The last thing I'm going to do to this car is interior. That's going to be the last thing is interior. So I'm going to paint, interior, all that, man. We're going to get it right, man. Even though the paint ain't too bad, but we're going to ride like this for a while, and then we're gonna get all that done, man. But let me know what y'all think in the comment section, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all already know who it is, man. Boy Rique, LifeOfRique. Checking out another video. Boy, I got the LS swap in this motherfucker. Talk to me.